We guide you through how to change your PayPal debit card PIN quickly and securely. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on the app or website and go to PayPal debit card section under Wallet. Select your debit card, then choose Change PIN or Manage PIN. You may be asked to verify your identity using a security code sent to your email or phone. After verification, enter your current PIN, then type in a new PIN of your choice and confirm it. Make sure your new PIN is unique and something you can remember, but not easily guessed by others. Once submitted, your new PIN will be activated immediately, and you can use it at ATMs or for purchases wherever your PayPal debit card is accepted. Following these steps keeps your card secure while giving you full control over your PIN settings.